I am Dr. Raju M. Matthew. I would like to give a definition for Knowmatics and give explanation or giving explanation for how Knowmatics could revolutionize higher education or universities in the coming days. Knowmatics is a study of the structure, organization, representation, and communication of knowledge, irrespective of the domains in which knowledge is scattered by using mathematical and engineering tools. Knowmatics is the basis by which algorithm based on the nonlinear and dynamic structure of knowledge could be developed so as to process knowledge and create the micro units or modules of knowledge at different levels. Mega knowledge corporation. With the development of Knowmatics, it is easy to transform the entire domain knowledge into millions of value-added knowledge products or services to cater the knowledge needs of the entire student community, the teachers and researchers of all universities, besides the entire professions cost effectively. Highly competitive mega multinational or multicultural knowledge corporations would emerge to provide the authentic and reliable knowledge product and services to the entire education sector and also for all professional crossing the cultural or even language boundaries. Knowledge corporations would transform the domain knowledge into new products and services for mass consumption and thereby making knowledge accessible to the entire humanity, breaking the boundaries of educational qualifications built up by the universities through the process of enrollment or registration. Instead of the existing social access in which only after passing a lower course of study one could enter into a higher course of study. A direct access to any level of knowledge is possible, just like a shift from analog to the digital age. The new professionals. Knowledge corporations would employ the best professors or teachers, scientists, experts, artists, literary persons, and professionals known as knowledge producers to create the knowledge modules or at least their outlines. They would also employ thousands of knowledge processors to prepare the mix of value-added knowledge products and services. To manage a system, a new category of knowledge managers would emerge. Along with every new development, they have to bring out new or innovative knowledge products and services on a sustainable manner. For delivering knowledge products and services, they would employ thousands of knowledge delivery engineers and workers and also knowledge repackagers. Super universities. Knowledge corporations would definitely emerge as the super universities by introducing highly efficient system of learning, teaching, evaluation, and certification based on the level of knowledge consumption and production of their customers, so as to challenge the monopoly of the conventional universities to award higher degrees or diplomas to the students. Since knowledge corporations are powerful enough to work at least 100 times better than the best universities, with more credibility, the society would accept them more prestigious and excellent than the latter. Value-added knowledge products and services would be made available at different levels so as to cater the knowledge needs of not only the experts but also for the masses and the people at different stages of knowledge consumption and thereby the entire humanity. If knowledge is made available to mass consumption around the world, then we can imagine the growth of efficiency and productivity on the one hand, and the growth of science and technology and their further and further applications on the other. Universities as the mega corporations. The rise of mega knowledge corporations, thousands of mediocre universities and colleges around the world would be withered away. However, some of them would survive as the service or delivery points of the knowledge corporations. As a counter strategy for survival, some of the best universities would emerge as the new mega knowledge corporations with value added and innovative knowledge products and services by employing their best professors, scholars, and students. These universities have to compete with the other mega knowledge corporations to extend their services even to the millions of illiterate farmers, workers, housewives, etc., along with professionals and the large body of learners. As a result, the humanity will be benefited by attaining a thousandfold growth in knowledge consumption and production. By taking into account the strategic importance of Knowmatics in higher education, scientific research and delivery of efficient professional service, it is high time for the international academic community or the World Universities Forums, besides international agencies like the UN and UNESCO, to launch international research and development programs in Knowmatics. Along with conducting further research in Knowmatics, universities must come forward to launch education and training program on the diverse aspect of Knowmatics, knowledge technology, and knowledge industry. Steps must be taken in preparing the basic textbooks and reference books in Knowmatics.